Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this time we're demonstrating a Delco T400 8-Track player. This comes in many different variations. This particular one is out of a 72 Pontiac Trans Am. And it comes from my friends, and this is probably the coolest name for a car restoration company that I've ever heard. The company is called Scared Shiftless. I love it. I absolutely love some of the names these guys come up with for their car restoration businesses. So we're here to make sure it works with a converted radio or a modern reproduction radio. Either one's pretty much the same thing. The 8-track has been converted so that it plugs just directly into either a reproduction radio or a converted radio. So in that light, I've got it already plugged into a converted radio so that I can match the output level to that of the converted radio's aux input. So let's go ahead and crank up a little music there. Okay, now we can pop an 8-track in.
And that was all I had to do. Again, calls her bad girl. The world through a Tweedledum. They take the time to wonder I cry. You don't know. Grass is gold, Alice.
Okay, end of a sound there.
All she did was take me by the hand.
Ready. So there we go. Now, after removing a tape, because the converted or reproduction radio that they're using does not have the control wire that basically forces the radio into aux mode when an 8-track starts playing. So as a result of that, the radio will wait 20 seconds. As it just did, after you pull a tape out, the radio will wait 20 seconds before coming back. During that 20 seconds, don't touch the radio. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just waiting 20 seconds before it makes sound again. That's because of a Vox circuit, VOX or voice operated switch, that holds on to the aux input a little longer than it really needs to, and that's just to make sure it's not constantly switching back and forth between songs and during quiet music passages. And so that's why that radio waits 20 seconds to come back. So we know the tape deck's good. And incidentally, when I do a conversion on a tape deck, since it's now using the radio's far superior new amplifiers, these controls no longer do anything on the 8-track. They're just there for decoration and hang knobs on. This is the only thing that still works, the track change button. So there we go. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And if you'd like to take your car to Scared Shiftless, they're in Santa Ana, California. Today has been a real California day. I think 3 out of the 4 jobs I've demoed today are from California. So should be a pretty cheap shipping day because I'm in the neighboring state. So thanks very much for watching, listening, guys. Thank you, Scared Shiftless, for your business all the way from California, and we'll see you guys next time. I love this.